In this video, we're comparing n8n and Microsoft Power Automate for building no-code and low-code automations. Starting with n8n, it's open source and self-hostable, giving you full control. It supports hundreds of integrations like webhooks, custom API calls, and conditional logic. It's great if you want flexibility and to avoid vendor lock-in. The downside? There's a learning curve and you'll need to manage hosting unless you use their cloud plan. Power Automate, on the other hand, works seamlessly with Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Teams, and Azure. It's easy to use, packed with templates, and great for quick automation, especially if you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem. But it's not open source. Premium features cost extra, and complex automations can hit limitations. So which one's for you? And 8N is perfect for developers who want full control. Power Automate is ideal for businesses needing plug and play inside Microsoft tools. Thanks for watching.